When I say good, I mean good. This is nice. What's up, TP gang? What's up, TP gang?
Where your food from?
It's from 5 Star Seafood.
Sounds delicious.
It got more than seafood. It got
What all you ate though from it?
got mussels, shrimp, crab, potato, and corn. Yo! Say I can't just be quiet. Is that quiet? Look. Boss. What's up? Boss. Go. Dip it in salad. Oh, and y'all gotta remember to go to Bella's Picture YouTube channel. Then you'll see some of my shorts. Four. It's 4. I am out.
What? You think you can do better?
I'll show you cute.
All right, if that's what you want.
Cute combo attack!